Let's explore how IdeaHub works as a whiteboard first. I can open a new page simply by tapping this plus button here. Now, you'll find that the writing experience is pretty seamless. In terms of technology, we're talking about 35 millisecond ultra-low writing latency, a figure that hasn't been yet seen in the industry. Basically, I don't feel like there's any delay between the strokes that I make and their appearance on the screen. That's why we say it feels like you're writing with pen and paper. And if I switch to the calligraphic writing style here, the pen will respond to the speed in which I write. So you can see with a very slow stroke, we have a much thicker line. And with faster strokes, the line is thinner. And this gives off a real natural writing experience. I find this pretty handy too. I can block delete things by just using my hand and deleting something as quick as that. Now I can also delete things more specifically with the eraser tool here. For example, if I just want to get rid of the B in IdeaHub, I can delete something a lot smaller. Of course, with the eraser tool, we also have a clear all option here that will delete everything that we see on the board. Now, if I go back into the brush and I want to select something specifically, for example, I want to select the A in IdeaHub, I can just hold down on the A and it should automatically select it for me. Of course, I can also use the drag select tool down here. And I can select, for example, the U. Now, if I want to zoom in on the U or make the U much bigger, I can do so without losing any resolution whatsoever. Of course, I can also go small. Or I can move it around the screen and go small. I can do the same thing to the entire board merely using my fingers. I can zoom in, and I can zoom out. Again, the resolution does not change and I do not lose it whatsoever. Basically, I can go big or I can go small. IdeaHub's whiteboard also supports concurrent writing when we're in video conference mode and sharing the screen. So two people can collaborate together on the same screen to produce a collaborative masterpiece. Let's see if Anna is paying attention and I'll say hello to her. As you can see, she's written back. Okay, let's hand over to her now.
Yes, Jacob, this is a great feature for group brainstorming sessions, for instance. Obviously, the board also offers basic functions that come with most smart screens. Here, I can add a new page. And I can add up to 100 pages in total, so plenty of room for multitasking on different projects. Changing the text color is as easy as clicking one of these buttons. And I can also change the screen background to one of these. All of these functions can be accessed at the bottom menu bar. And when you've produced something worth keeping, simply save it by clicking here. You can either save it locally, or you can mail it as a PDF to any participants you wish. I think we've covered the key points of whiteboard function. So let's have a look at wireless sharing. Whatever it is that you need to do, from smart education to smart collaboration within an enterprise, IdeaHub makes content sharing and collaboration easier than ever before. With the IdeaShare app installed on smartphones, tablets, or PCs, it's easy to connect to IdeaHub wirelessly. Once connected, users can simply flick or tap content from their device to the central hub, making central sharing completely effortless. Pairing devices with IdeaHub simply involves entering a projection code. Let me show you how right now.